Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Here is lesson 11, straight out from the program Eureka Math. My name is Peter Parker. We have the Cape Crusader, the Dark Knight, gonna give us a message. So, Batman, what do you think? Is math a useful tool for life? My friends, you should be always attempting to doing your best in clearing the dark areas of your mind by learning the methods of math. Gotta go. I see that light in the sky, my friends. All right, Batman, go ahead and go save the world. Today, my friends, we're going to multiply 1 and 3800 times 32. And one way to find out okay, remember that we are an avid school and we always have our name on the top, Peter Parker, the date, and we write in 3-column notes every time we do math. So today we're going to round expressions. When you round expressions, is to allow us to see how close we are to the answer and if our answer is correct. So now we're going to round 1 and 3800 first. So we know that 1 and 3800 is between 1 whole and 2 wholes. And halfway between 1 and 2 is 1 and 5/10. So now we know that 1 and 3/10 will be, or 3800 will be below that number, 1 and 3800. So we will be rounding 138 to 1 because it is near it. So that's going to be our first number rounded. The second number is 32. So 32 is between 3/10, which is below right here on this vertical line, and that number will be between 30 and 40. So halfway through those numbers, the midpoint is 35. So now we can see that 32 is near 30. So we round to 30. So now we can say that 1 times 30 equals 30. So the answer of the estimation is 30. So the answer should be closer to that area, somewhere in there. Okay, now we multiplied. We're going to actually multiply the number. But before we do that, to make it easier, we got to convert the decimal number 1 in 3800 to a whole number by multiplying that number by 100. And if you forget how to do this, go back to the beginning of the lessons when we multiply using the place value chart. We know that when we multiply a number times 100, the number is going to be 100 times larger. So that means it's going to be 138. And how do we know to multiply by 100? Because this number gives you the clue. The clue says 3800. So to make it bigger, to make the hundreds bigger, we multiply by 100. Okay? Now we can multiply the number 138 times the actual number 32. So we're going to make it into a vertical multiplication. Now remember, my friends, I like to do this in class. Here is the first number we're multiplying. 2 times the 1s. 2 times 8 equals 16. We carry 1 over. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 2 times 1 equals 2. Now we know that's our first answer. We need a second answer because now we got to multiply 3/10. Remember that if you need assistance, you can always create an area model to assist you with this multiplication. Because 3/10 has a 0 next to it, so we're going to write the 0 here. 3 times 8 is 24. We carry 2 over. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 2 equals 11, which we carry over. 3 times 1 equals 3, and 1 equals 4. Now we add these numbers up. 6, 7 plus 4 equals 11. We carry 1 over. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. And 4 plus the 0 equals 4. So the answer is 4,416. But recall that we multiplied this number by 100. Now to revert it back to the original decimal number, we got to multiply by 100. So we multiply 4,416. We divide it by 100, and that's going to give us the actual answer, which will be 44 and 16. All right, my friends, that was the lesson for today. Have a good day.